Hello everyone, my name is Seta Bansi and I am studying in standard 12th in Nalanda Vidyalaya Morbi. So 31st of October, particularly known as National Unity Day, which marks the birth anniversary of our Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So on this day, my topic for today is what are the ingredients which helps in increasing our immunity. Citrus fruits. Most people turn straight to vitamin C after they have got a cold. That's because it helps to build your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are key to fight the infections. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. With such a variety to choose from, it's easy to add a squeezy of this vitamin to any meal. Popular citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, clementines, tangerines, lemons, limes, and many more. Because your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for continued health. The recommended amount trusted source for most adults is 75 mg for women and 90 mg for men. If you opt for supplements, avoid taking more than 2000 mg a day. Also keep in mind that while vitamin C might help you recover from a cold quicker, there is no evidence yet that it's effective against the new coronavirus, that is SARS-CoV-2. Second thing is red bell peppers. If you think that citrus fruits have most of the vitamin C of any fruit or vegetable, think again. Ounce for ounce, red bell pepper contains almost 3 times much of vitamin C. 127 mg of trusted source as of Florida orange and 45 mg trusted source. They are also a rich source of beta carotene. Besides boosting your immunity, vitamin C may help you maintain your healthy skin. Beta carotene, which may help your body converts into vitamin A and helps you keep your eyes and skin very healthy. The third thing, which is very much important, is broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals, packed with full of vitamins A, C and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your plate. The key to keeping its power intact is cook it as little as possible, or better yet not at all. Research trusted source has shown that steaming is the best way to keep foods more nutrient in the food. Fifth one is garlic. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. Either it may be Indian, Italian, American, and almost all. It adds a little zing to the food and it's a must-have for your health. Early civilizations recognized its value in fighting infections. Garlic may also have hardening down of the arteries, and there is a weak evidence trusted that it lowers the blood pressure. Garlic's immune boosting properties seem to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur containing compounds such as allicin. Next one is ginger. The key ingredient and another ingredient turned to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and inflammatory illness. Ginger may help with nausea as well. While it's used in many sweet desserts, ginger packed some heat in the form of gingerol, a relative Capsaicin, ginger may also help in decrease chronic pain, trusted source, and might even possess cholesterol properties. Thank you for listening me.